Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to install Blender on your Mac. Blender is a powerful, free, and open source tool used for 3D modeling, animation, rendering, game development, and more. If you're a digital artist or just curious to try it out, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Blender into Google. The first result should be the official Blender website, blender.org. You can also find the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the home page, click the download button. This will take you to Blender's download page. The site should automatically detect your macOS version and show the correct installer. If it doesn't, you can manually select your version from the drop-down menu. Now click Download Blender to begin the download. Choose where you want to save the file. Your Downloads folder is fine. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Your Mac will verify the file, which might take a few seconds. Once the verification is complete, a new window will appear with the Blender icon. Drag and drop the Blender icon into your Applications folder. This copies Blender to your Mac and completes the installation. You can now close the installer window and move the downloaded file to the trash if you like. To launch Blender, either open Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus space, type Blender, and press Enter, or go to your Applications folder and double-click on Blender. The first time you open Blender, macOS may warn you that it's from an unidentified developer. This is normal for apps downloaded outside the App Store. Just click Open to proceed. Now you're ready to start using Blender. Why use Blender? It's packed with features for 3D modeling and sculpting animation, and rigging texture painting, high-quality rendering game development, and visual effects. Best of all, it's completely free, open source, and regularly updated by a passionate global community. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more guides like this. And if you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Blender.